This is a video about how we're going to mark the tips on our Pro-Cut lathe so we know when to change the tips. The toolkit has the torque wrench in it. So these are the tips. They have marks on them. There's a 1, 2, and a 3. So after it is worn out, you switch it to the next number of dots, and when it gets to the third dot and the tip's expired, you paint all 3 tips with a yellow paint marker. So this tip used to be over here, and it's been rotated to this side and set back to number 1 tip. This tip will be rotated from here and set to this side, and also rotated to number 1 tip. As soon as the third tip has expired with all painted tips, then the tip gets thrown away.